Gmail search is one of the most powerful features in the entire Google Apps suite. You can search a 25 gigabyte inbox in milliseconds. You probably know basic search, like you can enter a word here, such as sales, and any message with the word sales will return. Or you can enter messages within quotation marks to search for a phrase, daily agenda perhaps, and any messages that have that phrase will appear. But as a power user, you should also know the Boolean search operator. So that would be an operator like to with a colon after it. That's a Boolean search operator. So I'm going to demonstrate the most commonly used ones. So we've got to. I can see messages I've sent to Pam. These are messages where Pam was in the to line, or I could enter Pam's email address. Notice as I start to type Pam's email address, it auto-suggests her address here. And now I'm searching messages to Pam. Maybe I want to find messages from Pam. So I would just type from Pam, or I could enter her email address. You can also search the subject of a message. So maybe you want to find messages that have the subject new event, or maybe I want to find messages that have the subject meeting in it. I can combine two Boolean search operators. I'm looking for a subject, meeting, and from Pam. Did you see how quickly my search results were filtered? And it tells me these are the search results here. I'm going to go back into my inbox to clear that search. You might also want to quickly search within a certain label. All you do is type the name of the label. So I want to search within the words label. So I'll press enter and I will see all of the messages that are in the words label. Or I can search for a certain phrase or word within the words label. What is suffrage? So I can find this definition of suffrage here. The right to vote, especially in a political election. I searched in the words label for the word suffrage. So I can type label colon in the name of the label. So the name of the label is selected. Or I could just search for a label that I know is here. Maybe I know I have a photos label. I can select a sub-label like meeting and I can search within that label. So that's the label colon search operator. Maybe you're looking for a message that has an attachment. Just type has attachment and all of my messages that have an attachment will appear. Messages that have a calendar invite attached to them are considered attachments. Maybe you even know the file name you're looking for. In that case, you can type file name and then type the name of the file you're looking for. I know I sent out an agenda document and here are the messages where that agenda document was attached. If you want to use some logic with your searches, you can use the or operator. So if I want to search for messages from Pam or, in capital letters, from Abraham, I'll do it like this. And the search will return messages from Pam or messages from Abraham. And then there is the in search operator. So if I type in colon, I can search in certain areas of my mailbox. If I want to move to my trash, I can select in trash, or I could select in inbox and just search my inbox. I can also use this for finding unread messages. So maybe I want to find messages that are unread. I'll type is unread, and maybe I want that to be in the words label. So unread messages in the words label. You can also select is read. If you're having trouble remembering all of these Boolean search operators, don't worry. There's an article in the Gmail Help Center, mail.google.com/support, called Using Advanced Search, and that has all these Boolean operators here as well as examples. I can also search messages within a certain time period. So I can search for messages after maybe April 15th, 2011 and before April 30th. So here we go. I'm searching for messages between the 15th of April and the 30th of April. So that's how I search within a date range. One other thing I want to point out about these Boolean searches is that when you do an advanced search by going to show search options, so if I do an advanced search here from Pam to me, and then I click search mail, in the search results, you actually see that the search you did here is turned into a Boolean search. So from Pam to me. So that teaches you more about Boolean searches. It's a really fast way to quickly locate the message you're looking for.